How to make hologram text in Premiere Pro. With the Type tool, click on the preview window and type your text. Now with the selection tool, adjust the size of the text, and in the Essential Graphics panel, click on these two buttons to center it horizontally and vertically. Also, change the style of the text however you like. In the Effects panel, search for Venetian blinds and add it, which is under Video Effects, to the text. Select the text and open up Effect Controls panel. Set Transition Completion to 25, Direction to 90, and Width to around 20. Hold down the Alt key and drag the text to duplicate it. Search for Gaussian Blur and add it to the bottom text. Select the bottom text layer and set blurriness to 50. Search for Wave Warp and add it to the top text layer. Set wave type to square, wave width to 500, direction to 0, and wave speed to 0.3. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.